Hello, guys. Guys, it's gonna be insane. There's a lot of people.
Dude, that shit is so loud in game.
I don't know why though. It's weird. My mic is on the. It's not loud on Discord.
No, I know on Discord it's okay, like, but in game.
Oh my god, you don't lose any ult anymore. It's so good.
The in-game chat is fucking ridiculous.
The guy gets into my house. I punch him once. He gets out of there. He leaves. Like, okay, it's your house. I'm outie. I hate that shit. There's no gun in my house.
Yup. Just have a fucking pistol in mine. Oh, and a Red Bull. Nice. Oh, and you're far from me. I want to cry.
Yo, look at his name. Burnt Lobster. That's savage.
That's straight sad.
The lobster has been burnt. I like Pachinki now. It's like a good challenge to fight people.
I always like Pachinki. Kinda cool.
If you know how to play it right, it's gonna get a lot of kills.
Yeah. Usually when I'm driving Pachinki, I'm getting like a couple kill.
He comes and he comes.
Do you need me? Or?
Comes.
Yeah, I'm coming. Try not to die. There's one that just jump out the building on the other side of the street. I only have a shotgun. Oh, there's one. There's a guy right next to me. In a house. I don't know which one.
Ah,
Oh,
across
no.
the street.
Here.
Safe, I'm safe.
You're safe?
Yeah, he's across the street. I'm safe.
Oh my god. Don't know how to res you, dude.
Just run. He's not gonna kill you instantly. Just run. Make a run for it. Just run. You go left. Trust me. Just run. You have a pistol. See?
I know, but I shot him like 2 times in the head. That's why I ran. Okay. There's someone in that house, I think. The one I'm in? Yeah, there's someone on the 2nd floor. In the one I'm in.
I'm trying to heal pistol.
Yeah, I just saw one run on the other side of the road.